I'm Kirsten Olson. How many hockey games have you guys watched? I'm sure you've at least watched a couple since we are the state of hockey. But how many of those games have been a women's game? I'm sure a lot more of you have realized that a lot of them have been men's games. I'm going to compare three major differences between men's and women's hockey. The first one is the history of hockey. The second one is checking and stick handling, and the third one is the amount of people that attend the games. So for my first one is history of hockey. What is hockey, first of all? Hockey is a contact team sport, and it is also one of the fastest paced games. It's played either inside or outside. The history of hockey. In 1875 was when the first recorded ice hockey game was played, and it was played in Montreal, Canada. 1917 was when the NHL was founded. For women's hockey, I'm guessing a lot of you didn't know this, but they have now made a WNHL team, which is a women's national hockey league. It was founded in 2015, so there's only about 2 teams right now, but they're working on making more and making it a bigger deal than women's hockey is now. So what is the biggest difference between men's and women's hockey, do you think? I'm guessing most of you are realizing that it is the checking and stick handling part of hockey. Men's hockey is known for their big hits and their sweet fights. But what is women's hockey known for? Women's hockey is physical, but it's not as physical as men's hockey can get. But for stick handling, since women's hockey does not get as physical, it is known for stick handling and working around the other players. There's more time for the women's hockey players to skate around and make some moves than it is for men's. Since you can hit in men's hockey, they are more likely to get hit when they're looking down if they're trying to stick handle. So they do more hitting than stick handling. I think the difference in crowds and the amount of people that attend the games has to do with the physical of the game. Men can get more physical, so people would like to watch their games more. That leads me to my third point, which is crowds and fans. In men's games, in 2014, the biggest attendance record was in this outside game, the Stadium Series. Men's hockey has the NHL, which always brings more people to watch their games, but guys' high school games also get more than women's high school games do. 21,609 is the state record for the guys' high school hockey tournament, which was broken last year. While a girls' high school hockey tournament attendance record was around 12,000, which, fun fact, was broken in the year that I was playing in the tournament. So last year, it was during one of the games I was playing in. Women's hockey does not get nearly as many fans, but now that there is a women's NHL team, maybe that will change. Maybe more people will start to watch their games and go to their games. There are many differences between men's and women's hockey, whether it has to do with the rules of the game or just the amount of people that attend it. I just compared the history of hockey, checking and stick handling, and the amount of people that attend the games. Women's hockey seems to be trying to make an upgrade by making the WNHL, which brings more people. Maybe someday it will be as popular as men's, but I'm guessing we'll just have to wait and see what happens